Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The 2022 Toyota 86 approaches the first turn at Eagles Canyon Raceway in Decatur, Texas, with a high-pitched wail. The straight shot from the starting block seemed to hit 62 miles per hour quicker than Toyota's quoted time of 6.1 seconds. But it's more the 90-degree right turn into the 90-degree left that make me appreciate the handling and suspension upgrades to the redesigned 86. Pro drifter Ken Gushi keeps the 6-speed manual in third gear through both turns, and as the front-engine, rear-drive sports coupe starts to wag its tail, he snaps it back to rotate into the next turn. It's perfectly executed, and demonstrates the track-ready capability of the 86 in the hands of a pro racer for Toyota Gazoo Racing. That's what puts the GR in the 86. There've been a lot of small subtle changes with this vehicle that makes it feel like a completely different car, Gushi says as he climbs a hill into the blind turn 3. One of the big changes to the second iteration of Toyota's affordable sports coupe, and twin to Subaru's BRZ, is a larger 2.4-liter flat 4 that makes 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The outgoing 2.0-liter flat 4 put out only 205 horsepower and 156 pound-feet. It's a big difference for a car that weighs about 2,800 pounds, but the most significant difference is peak torque comes on a lot sooner at 3,700 revolutions per minute instead of 6,700 revolutions per minute. The more readily available torque helps maintain speed in those two turns without losing time to a downshift, then sprinting out of corner exits. Up the hill before the blind turn, we're approaching triple digits. He's speaking as calmly as you're reading this sentence, and I'm riding shotgun for a second time, to get the story straight. Turn 3 consists of two smaller turns on the top of the hill, then a hard right downhill. This is one of the tricky up-downs on a track with 200 feet of elevation change. At the bottom of the hill, the track bends about 60 degrees back uphill. The layout has us carrying all this speed into the curbing laterally, then braking hard so all the weight moves forward. In an instant, at the nadir, the 86 has to do the opposite. Earlier, in several laps driving the 2021 Toyota Supra and 2021 Lexus LC 500, this was the hardest part of the track for me to maintain speed. Though, Gushi's a pro, and I'm not. The body's 50% increase in structural rigidity helps him flick off that weight change like a bead of sweat, and we're climbing again. He's still in third as the car crests into the horseshoe. The rigidity up front comes, in part, from diagonal bars that tie the subframe to the frame, and the slightly lower height and increased rigidity in the rear helps it stay planted. Thanks for watching.